regardless how religious you are, you cannot expect that your children will obey unless you allow them to be heirs of your faith. Not knowledge, but faith. Naway ipamana mo sa iyong mga anak ang iyong pananampalataya. Hindi lang yung iyong alam. Hindi lang yung pinagsisimba ang mga bata. Pinapakilala mo sa kanila ang Diyos. Because if you will not allow them to know the God you believe, they might only know the things to do, but they will not have faith. You cannot expect that your children will obey the law if they do not believe the lawmaker. Don't stop the blessing of God in your life. Make sure that your children will inherit the blessing that you have received.